How to turn off subtitles on Amazon Prime TV. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily turn off subtitles on your Amazon Prime. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Amazon Prime and select the show that you want to watch. And once you open up the show that you want to watch, you just have to click on Watch Now right here to start the show. And once your show starts playing, you will just have to press any of the navigation button on your remote, which will bring out a certain menu like this, where it will show all of the cast and other settings like volume and subtitle. And you just have to click on the subtitle option, and once you click on it, here you will have an option to toggle it on or off. You can even change the subtitle size according to your preference and change the language if there are any other available languages. So you basically have to toggle this on or off to turn off the subtitles on your Amazon Prime videos. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.